Hi, welcome to the fourth floor in the Diamond. This is where the Armfield wind tunnels from the Fluids Lab have been relocated. So what we're doing for the Velocity and Drab Lab is we have data for you from these wind tunnels, comparing both a smooth and a dimpled sphere. So on these wind tunnels you have an air inlet, which is the square end, and an air outlet, which is the round end, and a test chamber in the middle. So what we've done in the lab is we've used our test sphere, say the smooth sphere first, and we've increased the fan speed from 5% through to a maximum of 95%, and measured the drag force and the air velocity at each wind speed. So let's go in and take a look. So it's a bit noisy in here. It's not too bad at the moment because these are running on low speed, but when they run at higher speeds, you shouldn't be in the same room as them unless you're wearing ear defenders or earplugs. That's probably the main risk associated with this experiment. So let's have a close-up of the test chamber. So here you can see the smooth sphere that's put in the test chamber, and here are a number of probes, each connected to a wire, which is connected to a data logger, and those will look at wind velocity at each of, I think, 10 points at different heights in the tunnel. These are set up to be run remotely. We're not going to be doing it that way, we're using test data, but you can see there's a webcam so that students who are running this remotely, or anyone looking at those, can see what's happening. Yeah, it is running, but it probably doesn't look a whole lot different when it's running to when it's not, unless you put in something like a piece of string to show the airflow. So these computers are used for data logging, and we're comparing that smooth sphere with a dimpled sphere. Both spheres have a diameter of 43 millimeters.